burnt myself several times in this video. If you don't want to subscribe to that sort of dedication, I don't know what it's going to take. Hello friends, welcome back. I've been sick, under the weather, feeling like absolute poo-poo for like a week and a half now, and I really have a lot more to the Jeep to get done than I'd like to show you now. Instead of rushing the video, I'm going to keep working on that on the back side of things, and I am going to attempt and show you a welding hack that, if it works, it's going to be phenomenal. So this little guy here has seen better days, and it's starting to kind of, you know, it's old, and you know, it's very weak. I mean, even if, you know, it's just, yeah. So wouldn't this be cool if this was magnetic? Oh, behold, magnet. Big fat magnet. So what I'm gonna do is cut this out, drill a hole through it, basically attach it to that, and we'll see how it works. Safety third. Ta-da. Now, for all you ballerina frogs that like to comment and hate about everything on the YouTube, yes, I'm aware this is not going to work on aluminum. So if you're going to comment that, shut your face and save it for later. See? No work. No work. Work. Now, feast your eyes on me using a vise in the improper way. Premium lubrication. Oh. I guess using the vise as it's intended has its perks. Now that you've properly drilled your hole, find a nut and bolt that will fit inside your hole. On a slightly more serious note, that side sticks okay. That side is pretty ridiculous. So, yeah, we are going to put the nut and bolt like such. Then we are going to cut that part off the bottom and then weld it flush. Otherwise, this would be rather pointless if it's set up like that and not flat. Now we are going to weld it. Strange. This big piece of metal I just welded is still hot. Now you can look ridiculously cool in front of your friends and attach your ground no matter where you are. Just like that. Or like this. Now, no matter where you are, welding is a breeze. Doing a handstand? No problem. Working on some VTech? That's okay too. Feeling lazy? rolling, dropping. Building an exhaust out of junkyard metal. Maybe you're not about the VTEC and the America, and you want yourself some weird Frankenstein German machine. This DIY welding hack really can do it all, if you can hit the metal. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe if you have not already. And next video will be of El Javette. We are getting some hood work done, finishing up the doors, and we're getting her ready for paint. Paint, if you might be asking, will be in this variety of Rust-Oleum camouflage tan with automotive primer underneath and automotive clear on top. You think it's not gonna work? I bet you it will. Be sure and find out later. Now I gotta buy one more can.